Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Partybox Club 120 wireless Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. There's three reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is to exit demo mode. So if you notice that some of the buttons are not responding, it might be in demo mode and you'll need to do a factory reset in order to get out of demo mode. So the next reason you might want to do this is any kind of troubleshooting, like it's not pairing with your phone, it's not connecting to Bluetooth, it's not making sound, it keeps disconnecting, anything like that where it's not working. And the third reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to delete all the pairing history, delete all the settings off of it, so you can go ahead and set this speaker up basically like it's brand new. So because it's going to be like brand new, we want to go ahead on our phone or any devices we've had it paired with in the past and have them forget this device. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold with the speaker on. We're going to press and hold the light button and the play button simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. And this will cause the speaker to reset to its factory default settings, exit demo mode, and then you can go ahead and set this speaker up like you're setting up a brand new speaker. So if this worked for you, if you could please let me know and leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.